Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, today you are going to learn class 7 social science civics chapter 2 role of the government in health. So students, now let's start. Introduction. Unit State government. We will study from the perspective of state government. And second, people, expectation, welfare of people. Relate this with the work of government. What we are going to study in this chapter? First point, what is health? Second point, healthcare in India, public and private healthcare. Next point, the story of Hakim Sheikh. Next point, healthcare and equality. Next point, challenges to equal and quality healthcare facility, role of government in it. Next, the Kerala experience. And last point, the Costa Rican approach. Students, in a democracy, people expect the government to work for their welfare. This could be through the provision of education, health, employment, housing, or the development of road, electricity, etc. In this chapter, we shall examine the meanings and problems related to health. Look at the subheadings of this chapter. In what ways do you think this topic is related to the government? My students, here the responsibility of the government. Provision of education, health, employment, housing, or the development of roads, electricity, etc. What is health? Health means our ability to remain free of illness and injuries. But health is not only about disease. You may have associated only some of the situations in the above college with health. What we often ignore is the fact that each of the above situation is related to health. Apart from disease, we need to think of other factors that affect our health. For example, if people get clean drinking water or a pollution-free environment, they are likely to be healthy. On the other hand, if people do not get adequate food to eat or have to live in cramped condition, they will be prone to illness. ये एग्जाम्पल में हमने सीखा है कि इफ पीपल गेट क्लीन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, हमें क्लीन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर मिलेगा और अ पॉल्यूशन फ्री एनवायरमेंट फ्री ऑफ पॉल्यूशन मिलेगा तो हमारी हेल्थ अच्छी रहेगी. वरना इफ पीपल डू नॉट गेट एडुकेट फूड, और हमें फूड अच्छा नहीं मिलेगा खाने के लिए, और हैव टू लाइन इन क्रैम कंडीशन, दे विल बी प्रोन टू इलनेस, तो वो हमें इलनेस की तरफ ले जाएगा. सो अंडरस्टूड माई स्टूडेंट्स व्हाट इज हेल्थ? हेल्थ का मतलब ये है कि आवर एबिलिटी, हमारी एबिलिटी जो है वो फ्री ऑफ इलनेस एंड इंजरीज होना चाहिए. बट हेल्थ इजंट ओनली अबाउट डिजीज, ये सिर्फ बीमारी नहीं है. मे हैव एसोसिएटेड ओनली सम ऑफ द सिचुएशंस इन द अबाउ कॉलेज विथ हेल्थ. जो हमने पढ़ा ना, एग्जाम्पल दिया ना, उसे हम समझ में आ जाना चाहिए कि व्हाट इज हेल्थ. All of us would like to be active and in good spirit in whatever we may be doing. It isn't healthy to be dull, inactive, anxious, or scared for a long stretches of time. We all need to be without mental strain. जो स्ट्रेन है, जो स्ट्रेस है, वो हमें नहीं लेना है. अगर हमें एंग्सियस, स्कैर्ड, किसी की चिंता, किसी का डर और स्ट्रेच होगा, तो हमारी हेल्थ इससे अच्छी नहीं रह सकती. ऑल ऑफ दीज वेरियस एस्पेक्ट ऑफ आवर लाइव्स आर अ पार्ट ऑफ हेल्थ. हमें फ्री रहना है, एक्टिव रहना है और गुड कंडीशन में रहना है, तो हमारी हेल्थ भी अच्छी रहेगी. अंडरस्टूड माय स्टूडेंट? Students, what you learn today? Today you learn the topic of what is health, the definition of health. Understood, my students? Next point would be discuss about health care in India, public and private health care. Okay, my students? So take care, stay home and stay safe.